I haven't done it before, but they say it's pretty easy. So that's gonna be the next video, because today I have this box coming from eBay, and that's for the S13. Alright, so looking at these, I can tell that it goes like that, because you can see where it's not straight. It goes down a little bit and then up. So this one goes straight and then up. So I'm just gonna extend this blue one to have the OEM length, and then we go from there and adjust a little bit more. Alright, so I put the tow bar. That's why I was having some trouble on this car, because it was super towing on the back since I dropped it that much. So there's that. It's 14-inch long from center of the hole to center of the other hole. So I did push it in a little bit. So let's see how that goes. I don't have any plates to align the car. I'll be ordering those so I can do it myself, because I need to figure out how to do it. If you guys know or have any tips, please comment below. How should I proper align the rear? I know it should be on 0 camber or maybe +1. So when it's set down, like the car just go super flat on the tire. But like toe in, toe out, what you guys use on that? Please let me know. Now I'm gonna put the other bar, which I think that's gonna be for the camber in between these two. The reason why I buy that brand is because it already had one of the link was the same brand, so, and because they are pretty cheap. So let's put this one now. So this one is 8 inches and 3/4. That's the length of this one. 8 inches and 3/4. We are starting the process of mounting the eBrake. I got the eBrake somewhere. Got the eBrake in here. I did some setups. So like this was on the back. I move it to the middle, so I can have an eBrake a little bit more on the middle. First was pointing forward. Again, this is a really cheap eBrake, but the wheel would pump. It's flawless. So we got the bracket from FDF. As you can see, this this transmission tunnel has been modified to fit the 350Z transmission, right? So normally this will go like right here, right? And it will align with the OEM bolts. But since it's being cut off, I need to do something. So what I'm doing, I'm pushing it to the back a little bit in here. I will have to do 4 new holes. And in here, I can still shift. That's 4th, 2nd, 6, and it will still work. So I need to drill holes in here, set up this bracket, and then I'll be able to install this one in here, somewhere in here, so I can have my handbrake right next to my steering wheel. I already checked and it's not gonna be in the middle of anything, so that's really good in here. After that, I need to run the lines. Now keep in mind, I don't have a 2 caliper setup yet, so I'm just gonna run an inline eBrake, and these brakes are pretty bad, so I'm just gonna run it like that for now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get a 2 caliper bracket because I'm able to use the same brake pads and everything, the same caliper. I don't need to put 2. So I'm gonna check on that. I'm looking at some upgrades, some some brake upgrades, and see what they offer out there. I know a lot of people put the C32 brakes, and I guess they work really good, right? Probably looking into some other brands. I don't know, maybe like Wood brand or whatnot, or maybe Brembo, see what they offer. So just to have a little bit more power, brake power. Right now the brakes are not functioning how they need to. Like, you can brake the car, but you feel where you are struggling to brake the car, so that's really bad. So I need to run those brakes pretty soon. So I'm doing this mock-up right quick, putting this brake, and we probably get the lines today. Let's see. Got me 4 bolts. These are socket cap screw, that's what it's called. I got me 4 of those, and then I got me 4 washers, and I got me 4 nuts, and these nuts are the flange nuts, but I still got flat washers, and I got lock washers. These right here, I did make 3 holes. This one I'm not gonna use it because this one goes all the way through the transmission tunnel, but this one right here, it's just on the edge where I don't think it's gonna catch anything, so I'm still gonna try to drill it, but I'm probably not gonna be able to use this because it's just right there. It's kind of like right here, but this part. Anyways, I got a bolt in here, so I'm good, but I'm gonna try to drill it and see what it does. If not, I'll still use this one. So, but yeah, super secure. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I do this one, it will be 5 bolts, and then 2 more for the bracket. It will basically sit right here like that. You can see the holes, and then this bolt right here, this bolt that I got, it will go through here and it will be sitting flush. That's it. So, and then I can mount my eBrake and test it. I don't have lines, right, but just to see the location. Now I need to work with the shifter. I noticed that sometimes if it goes kind of like down, like if I push down by accident, it will not take, like right now it's not, oh, there you go. It's not taking the gears like 4, like 2nd, 4th, and 6th in reverse, because it kind of like goes down. check this because I can't risk it. So that's another thing. So the problem is not that the car is too low. The problem is that the tire is too big. The jack is too high.
Ya lo jodiste.